So this is new Ray-Ban Meta Blayzer Gen 2 glasses. Let's unbox it. There's a seal here and another seal here. Let's tear open these seals. This is the glasses case. This glasses case has magnetic charging. When the glasses run out of power, you can put them here to charge. Next up are our glasses, the glasses themselves. I remember the original glasses only had a camera here, but not here. Now there are cameras on both sides. This should be the 3.5 generation. Are these reading glasses? Ray-Ban's Mate AI glasses like the glasses my grandfather used to wear. Next, I'm going to check out the appearance of these glasses. I was torn between the crystal gray and this one, wondering which to choose. Then I thought, since summer's here, I should choose an olive green. A dark green, which I think would look pretty good. There are some nice details here. There's a physical button, and above the button is a small blue sapphire. I can't really say blue, but it's a small subtle blue embellishment. I don't know what it is. In here, there's a microphone jack. Overall, it looks quite high tech. Let's try them on and see how they look. It's alright. Doesn't pinch my head. In this version, it is reflective. It will have a new design with an inward and outward opening and closing magnetic attachment angle, which is more suitable for Asian face shapes. Before the test, my face was quite large, but now it fits me fairly well. Now let me connect to the device. A few moments later, persistence pays off, and finally. With this, installation and pairing are complete. Let's test it now. This is the actual effect when wearing it. There's an indicator light here that's flashing. Flashing means it's recording. Hey mate, it's the same if it's on. Hey mate, take the video. When you say hey mate, it gives you a beep sound telling you, hey, I heard you. Tell me what you want to do next. Take the video means it starts recording. The recording seems to only support a maximum of 3 minutes, which might not be enough for me because I want to record a longer first-person perspective video. But considering the high level of coolness of these glasses, I chose this option. Now let's see what the first-person perspective is like. So here is sample.